In this video, I'll show you how you can create a private server in Roblox. Now you want to open up the Roblox application, and not the website, but the application. And from in here, you just want to choose where you want the private server. So let's say I want to do this one. What you want to do is click on this little button here and create private server. Now keep in mind, some of these do cost Robux and some of these are free. For this one, it costs 400 if I want to make this one. But if I go and choose another one, let's say this one, create private server, and you'll see this one for me is completely free. So I can choose a server name, buy it now, and then I'll have the private server right here. And I can invite friends as well to play with me if I want to do that. So just find the one that you want. Just remember that some of these require Robux. This one costs 150. So if you don't have any, you need to choose the free ones. Now keep in mind, you can only do this if your settings are correct for it. So for some games, you actually need to verify your age. As you can see, my age is not verified here yet. So if it's a game that you need to verify your age, you need to go in here and verify it first, and you need your ID to do that. But that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.